accessing mental health care without insurance is possible, although it may require some creative solutions. Many communities offer low-cost or sliding-scale mental health services through community health clinics, nonprofit organizations, or local mental health agencies. These services often operate on a pay-what-you-can basis, making them more accessible to those without insurance. Another option is seeking therapy through training institutions or universities that offer counseling programs. Trainee therapists, under the supervision of licensed professionals, often provide services at reduced rates or even for free as part of their training. Online platforms and apps have also emerged as affordable alternatives for mental health support. Some provide access to licensed therapists through messaging, video calls, or chat services at lower costs compared to traditional in-person therapy. Community support groups and hotlines can be valuable resources as well. Many nonprofit organizations and local communities organize support groups for various mental health concerns. Additionally, crisis hotlines and chat services are available 24/7 for immediate assistance. Government-funded programs, such as Medicaid or state-sponsored mental health services, may offer assistance to those without insurance. Eligibility criteria vary, so it's essential to check the specific requirements in your area. Lastly, exploring self-help resources such as self-guided workbooks, online courses, and mental health apps can provide tools and techniques for managing mental health challenges independently. While navigating mental health care without insurance may require more effort, these diverse options demonstrate that support is available for individuals seeking assistance in improving their mental well-being.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.